Hey, Shadow. What you doing? What do you want? Are you hungry? Are you fat? No, you're not fat? Is that insulting to you? Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. Did I insult you when I called you fat? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'll make it up to you, yes. Now you want to get something to eat? Yeah, come on. Let's go. Come on.